Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explore Java unit testing with JUnit 5, the latest version of the popular unit testing framework for Java. Unit testing is a crucial aspect of software development, allowing developers to verify the correctness of their code and catch bugs early in the development process. Join us as we dive into JUnit 5 and learn how to write effective unit tests for your Java applications. Introduction to unit testing. Overview. Understanding the importance of unit testing in software development. Benefits: catching bugs early, improving code quality, and facilitating refactoring. Getting started with JUnit 5. What is JUnit 5? Introduction to JUnit 5, the latest version of the JUnit framework. Features, annotations, assertions, and test lifecycle methods. Setting up your project. Adding JUnit 5 dependency, including the JUnit 5 library in your Java project. Configuring IDE. Configuring your IDE, such as IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse for JUnit 5. Writing your first test. Anatomy of a test. Understanding the structure of a JUnit test method. Assertions. Using JUnit 5's assertion methods to verify expected outcomes. Test annotations and lifecycle. At test annotation, marking a method as a test case. At before each and at after each, executing setup and tear down methods before and after each test. At before all and at after all, executing setup and tear down methods once before and after all tests. Parameterized tests. At parameterized annotation, running the same test with different inputs. At value source and at CSV source, providing different sets of parameters to a test method. Assertions and error handling. Assertions, using various assertion methods to check expected outcomes. Handling exceptions, verifying that methods throw expected exceptions. Test suites and tagging. Test suites, grouping related tests into test suites. Tagging tests and running specific groups of tests. Mocking and dependency injection. Introduction to Mockito. Overview of the Mockito framework for mocking objects. At mock and at inject mocks, annotating fields for mocking and injecting dependencies. Integrating with build tools. Maven, configuring Maven to run JUnit tests during the build process. Gradle, configuring Gradle to run JUnit tests as part of the build. Best practices and tips. Test naming conventions, naming your tests descriptively and meaningfully. Isolation, ensuring tests are independent and isolated from each other. Test coverage, striving for high test coverage to ensure comprehensive testing. Real-world examples and case studies. Example, writing unit tests for a simple calculator class. Case study, demonstrating how to test a service layer in a Spring Boot application. Conclusion. JUnit 5 is a powerful and versatile framework for writing unit tests in Java. By mastering its features and best practices, you can ensure the quality and reliability of your Java applications. We hope this video has provided you with a solid foundation for writing effective unit tests with JUnit 5. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.